Welcome to Channel Maths for Graduates. Today we'll talk about double factorial. Okay, we are already aware of what is factorial. Suppose if I have factorial 5, okay, then we know that this equals to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, if I multiply them together, this equals to 120. Okay, that means formula for factorial n is what? Factorial n equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into and so on 3 into 2 into 1, and here n is some natural number. Okay, that means in simple factorial the difference of every adjacent term is 1. Okay, but in double factorial what happens? In double factorial the difference of every adjacent term is 2. Okay, let me explain it to you with an example. Suppose if I have 5 double factorial, okay, then this equals to 5 into 5 minus 2, that is 3, into 3 minus 2, that is 1. Okay, so here the difference of every adjacent term is 2. Okay, similarly if I have 6 double factorial, then this equals to 6 into 6 minus 2, 4 into 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay, that means double factorial of odd number ends with 1 and double factorial of even number ends with 2. Okay, now I'm in position to write the general formula for double factorial. Okay, if n is even, okay, then n double factorial equals to n into n minus 2 into n minus 4 into and so on 4 into 2. Okay, and if n is odd, then n double factorial, this equals to n into n minus 2 into n minus 4 into and so on, and it will end with 3 into 1. Okay, now let us see a very amazing relationship between double factorial and simple factorial. Now let us see relation between double factorial and simple factorial. Okay, so if n is even, okay, when n is even, then n double factorial, this equals to n into n minus 2 into n minus 4 and so on 6 into 4 into 2. Okay, since n is even, that means I can write n as 2 into some natural number k. Okay, where k is some natural number. Okay, now putting n equals to 2k, so on putting we have 2k into 2k minus 2 into 2k minus 4 into 6 into 4 into 2. Okay, now you can see I can take 2 common from every terms. Okay, so on taking common 2, we have 2 into 2 into 2 into and so on. There will be n over 2 2's in total. Okay, and on taking common 2 from this term we have k. Okay, on taking common 2 from this term we have k minus 1. Similarly from here we have k minus 2 and so on, and when we take common 2 from 6 we have 3. Okay, and when we take common 2 from 4 we have 2 into 1. Okay, now this is what? This is 2 raised to power n over 2. Okay, into, and this is what? This is factorial k. Okay, that means n double factorial equals to 2 raised to power n over 2 into factorial k, and k is what? From this equation I can say k is n over 2. Okay, so putting k equals to n over 2, that means n double factorial equals to 2 raised to power n over 2 into factorial of n over 2. Okay, since n is even here, so n over 2 factorial of n over 2 makes sense. Okay, now let us see the formula for double factorial of odd number. Okay, if n is odd number, okay, then n double factorial, this equals to n into n minus 2 into n minus 4 and so on, 5 into 3 into 1. Okay, what I am going to do here, I am going to multiply this equation with n minus 1 into n minus 3 and so on, 4 into 2. Okay, and divide this equation with the same term, n minus 1 into n minus 3 into 4 into 2. Okay, now if you pay a little attention, you can see that numerator is what? Factorial of n. Why? Because n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3, so numerator is factorial of n. Okay, and denominator is n minus 1 into n minus 3 into 4 into 2. Okay, so since n is here odd number, so I can write n as 2k minus 1, where k is some natural number. Okay, so putting n equals to 2k minus 1. Okay, so on putting we have 2k minus 1 factorial. Okay, denominator will be 2k minus 1 into 2k minus 1 minus 3 and so on, 4 into 2. Okay, so writing the numerator as it is 2k minus 1 and denominator is 2k minus 2, 2k minus 4 and so on, 4 into 2. Okay, now multiplying numerator with 2k and denominator with 2k. Okay, so on multiplying, numerator will become factorial of 2k. Okay, and denominator will become double factorial of 2k. Okay, and 2k is what? 2k is even number. Okay, and we know the formula for double factorial of even number. Okay, so applying the formula, numerator is factorial of 2k and applying the formula of double factorial of 2k will be 2 raised to power k into k factorial. Okay, and we know that k is what? From this equation, k is n plus 1 over 2. Okay, so on putting the value of k, we have n plus 1 factorial over 2 raised to power n plus 1 over 2 into n plus 1 over 2 factorial. Okay, so this is formula for double factorial of odd number. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you find this video informative, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.